Welcome back, my beauty squad. If you're new, it's your girl Jessica, and today we got our Boxycharm. Sorry, that was a total effed up Jessica moment right there. I'm sorry I ever put y'all through that. Like, shame. But if you're interested in seeing what I received in my Boxycharm base box for the month of January, stay tuned. Would you like to see, do I think it's worth my money still? Am I going to keep it still? Like, let's see how Boxycharm bought in 2021, because just for me preferences, if I was the company, I would come in with a bam, bang, boom, bam, boo, hoo, hoo, wow. That's Miss Felicity. But yeah, and like I always say, if you're new and you're watching this, make sure you hit that subscribe button right here, down here, that red one, turn it gray. You. Turn that big boy, bad boy, gray, and turn this bell on all the way up. That way you get notified for any and every video I upload, because I upload often, and you do not want to miss. I do have an upcoming giveaway going on. Well, get ready to go on, because I just hit another milestone. I'm going to hop off of here because Miss Felicity is crying. And I love y'all all so dear, and I will see y'all into the video. Hey, my beauty squad. So, thank you so much for sticking around. It means the absolute world to me. But yeah, like I said in the beginning of this video, we have Boxycharm. January 2021. 2021. And I did a sneak peek just because I'm a nosy butt. Like, I've got to look. So I got the whole total for y'all. There's no number. Well, there's a number. It's C21010002-BA is supposedly my number. But I'm glad to have a reference chair. Let's see thing. Reference chart. The first thing I am pulling out, this is the Pharmacy Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Ooh, this looks interesting. This is to swipe on to clean face in AM or PM. Avoid eye area. Do not rinse. A slight tingling may be experienced. Also, this has helped to close your pores. That is cool. Cool beans. That retails for 28 bucks. It's ideal for combination oily skin or acne prone skin. And I've got combo skin. It gently exfoliates deep cleaning pores and controls oil without overstripping skin. So that is really neat. It is a glass bottle. Don't really have too much of a smell to it. You get 4 fluid ounces or 120 milliliters. So that's a decent size. And I love me some toner. Let me tell you, I'm obsessed with toner, so I'm happy for that. The next thing I am pulling out is this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss in the shade Unprofessional, and this retails for $18. Y'all don't mind my hair or my makeup. Makeup's been on for quite a while now. I just got in. Me and hubby went on a date night, but look how bright that is. Like, this is not a Jessica lip at whatsoever. So I might be trying to find somebody to gift that to. I'm not even going to open her up, or even maybe add it to a giveaway or something, because I just hit my goal. Thank y'all so much. Your girl is finally at 1,250. So yay! Thank y'all all that are here supporting me. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much. Like, it means absolute world to me to have each and every one of y'all here. Like, more than you ever know. So I appreciate y'all to the max. This is Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. with SPF 20. And this was my choice item. And this retails for $35. I like the tinted moisturizers more for like summer and spring when you want that light, no makeup look. And that is what she looks like. Sheened out. She a lot dark. Let's just be real there. So yeah, this would for sure have to be a summer shade for me, or I would have to like really lighten her up. But it feels really nice. It has pretty decent coverage. I mean, we'll just have to see on the face. And that retails for $35. This is the second to last item in my box. This is the Seraphine by Bionicles Apple and Balsam Glow Lip Mask. Yeah, I'm so sorry. Like, my nose will not stop running right now. Anytime I go outside, it's worse. It's always 10 times worse. Ooh, she's cute. This retails for $25. And glow lip mask. You're supposed to it on your cell there. Tell me what to do with you. Directions. Before bedtime, coat lips in generous layer and leave overnight. Can also be used during day as a tinted lip glow. Simply slather onto lips along or dab over any lipstick application. So tinted. So this is a color. That makes me curious now. I'm very curious. It don't look like no tinted. Oh, okay, I see it now. So you have to like squeeze a little bit out before you get to that color part. Yes. It is, she's thick. Like, she's thick. I could not wear this during the day at all. At all, guys. Like, Now, I don't even know if I could wear this at night, to be realistic here. I might could put it on and wear it for a little bit. If my lips need it that bad. But I would be scared that everything on my bed would literally stick to my lips as I toss and turn. Because I sleep crazy. I don't stay still. And last product in the box, which I was I'm happy with it, but I was kind of wanting the other one too, so I was like, either or. I wasn't really on the edge for just one in particular, to be real. Look at her. The only thing I do have to complain about this is a, I guess, supposed to be a green theme palette is what I've seen. Violet Voss, I Love You Forever eyeshadow. I mean, technically it doesn't say it's a green theme palette. It doesn't state, hey, this is just greens or anywhere, but you would think like with the packaging, you would get a little bit more greens. And yeah, like you legit have two. 1, 2, that's it. And yes, I've swatched these, so those little fingertips that you see is me. But I'm going to show y'all real quick. Some mattes and 2 shimmers. So there's the green ones. It's a pretty palette. I'm glad I have it. I don't have blood money, so any green palette's good to me. I really, really enjoy. Look at those 2 greens. Like, ooh, she's pretty. Violet Voss formula. So, I'm a happy camper. I kind of wanted the other palette so I can try that, because I haven't tried that brand. And this retails for $34. Now, my whole box, mind you, my whole box is $140 retail value. For 25 bucks, you cannot beat that. Do I like everything in my box? No. Am I happy with my box? All over happy? Yes. There is, like I said, there's probably 2 things in there I won't use. The rest I will. Now, the Pure Tinted Moisturizer will have to wait, or, like I said, I will have to lighten it up. But no biggie. I think that's more my fault because I got the shade wrong. Because whenever you go in and pick, you pick your shade, basically. But yeah, that's all, folks. So, let me know down below, are you a Boxycharm subscription? Are you interested in getting Boxycharm? Did you get your box already? Are you happy with your box? Let me know all the tea down below. I love hearing the tea. I want to know what y'all think about my box. Do you think it was worth the 25 bucks? And on your way out, if you didn't on your way in, make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. I love y'all all. I'm so grateful for y'all. Thank y'all again for the milestone that we hit. Make sure you are subscribed and keep a lookout for a special video. Just saying. We hit a milestone, so y'all know what's coming next. But yeah, I'm excited. I will be trying this bad boy out soon. Maybe on a live or premiere or something. We'll see. We'll go from here, okay? Like, I've got a lot of ideas and a lot of things coming up for my channel, so make sure you stay tuned.